Welcome, I'm Shankara Dhaval. I'll be talking about your sun signs. The sun sign I'm taking up is Cancer. Hi Vrita, how are you?
Hi Papa. Papa, as you know, my zodiac sign is Cancerian. I want to know how it will be in 2010.
2010 and you're June 27. Yeah, indeed you're a Cancerian. Now as far as Cancer goes, Venus is strong. So there's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to enjoy life, a lot of activities. So it's a good year for that. Not a very good year for profession and not a very good year for studies. Profession people have to really, work hard to get things right. For studies, there are going to be problems. There are going to be a lack of focus, lack of keenness. So students, Cancerian students, need to focus on studies this year 2010. Coming to months, January would be a good month. February would be a tough month where a lot of activities, a lot of tensions would be there. March again is going to be a good period. April, May, June would move evenly, but June will see you into a butt of activities, a lot of problems, general Cancerians. There will be a lot of problems with relationships. There will be a lot of problems with subordinates, seniors. There's going to be a lot of problems for the month of June, so one needs to be careful. July, August, September, the focus is on family. So family is going to be very important. And then October, November, December, you would see yourself planning for 2011 and put things in the right perspective. So 2010 is going to be a critical year, especially the last quarter when you'll be planning for a very next crucial year. And to repeat and to summarize, a good year to have fun. You'll buy new things, vehicles, property, houses, enjoy life. Not a very good year for students. They lose focus. And for professionals, they need to actually work hard and take care of themselves in a focused way. So that's in store for you Cancerians for the 2010.